In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate data in Google Sheets on your desktop. Whether you're looking to simply identify duplicates or go a step further to highlight and remove them, I'll guide you through a few different methods you can use to effectively manage your data. Stick around, and let's dive into keeping your spreadsheets tidy and accurate. Let's start by highlighting duplicates using conditional formatting. First, you'll want to select the range where you're checking for duplicates. Say we're looking at column A. Once you've selected your range, click on Format, located in the top menu, and then choose Conditional Formatting. In the sidebar that pops up, you'll need to specify your format rules. You'll want to select Custom Formula Is, which allows you to set a specific condition. Here, you'll enter the formula COUNTIF A1. 1. This formula checks whether the value in A1 appears more than once in the entire column A. Once you've entered that, choose your desired formatting style, whether it's a fill color or text color, to make those duplicates stand out. Afterward, hit Done, and voila! The duplicates should now be visibly highlighted in your sheet. If you're dealing with multiple columns, the formula becomes a bit more complex, like equals countifs B1, C, C1. 1. Just a quick tip. If the results aren't displaying as expected, double-check the locale settings of your sheet. Some regions use semicolons instead of commas in formulas. Next up, if you're interested in listing unique values and spotting duplicates through a formula, this section is for you. When you just want a list of which values are unique versus which are duplicated, you can utilize the powerful Unique function. In a blank column or cell, enter unique A2A. This function neatly lists all the unique entries from the range A2 to A. Alternatively, to get a little more information, you can employ the COUNTIF function in a helper column. Enter equals COUNTIF A2, which will count how many times each value appears throughout column A. Any result greater than 1 indicates a duplicate. Now, for those ready to not just find but also tidy up by removing duplicates, here's how you can proceed. Once you have identified duplicates, and you are sure you want to remove them, start by selecting the data range you are working with. Navigate to Data in the top menu, then choose Data Cleanup, and click on Remove Duplicates. A dialog box appears where you can confirm which columns you'd like checked and whether your data has a header row. After confirming your selections, click on Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will inform you how many duplicate rows were deleted, streamlining your data as needed. And there you have it. Whether you're managing a small list or an extensive database, these methods will help you find and manage duplicates efficiently in Google Sheets. Keep your data clean and accurate, and happy spreadsheet managing.